Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. I just wanted to shoot this video about building relationships and the fact that people do join people. And if you take that relationship out of your business, that's going to cripple your business because you're not going to get far. People aren't going to get to know you, the real person, and not some act that you put on online. That's what my YouTube channel is all about. I want you guys to see the real Matthew Letendre, not some like made up fictitious person that some people feel they have to do on their channel. My videos are transparent. They're the absolute truth, and I'm not going to make false claims just to get commissions. So, building relationships in your business, getting out there, getting seen, taking action daily, those are the components of what makes a successful online business. Don't take the relationship out of the business. If you're not showing people the way, if you're not leading by example, then you can't expect them to do the same as you would want them to do. Like the upgrades and power lead system. I'm qualified to make $100 commissions. If I'm not telling you about it, how are you going to know how to upgrade in power lead system? You got to show people. You got to show people that you truly believe in these upgrades, because you don't want to just make $20 commissions. You want to make $100 commissions on top of those $20 commissions. So you got to lead by example. And the other day I saw on Facebook, in our Facebook group, my sponsor put up a picture of, at the top it was a picture of a boss at the back of the line saying move forward, and at the bottom there was it said leader, and the leader was leading the people and they were following the leader's example. So that it was just to show the difference between being a boss and being a leader. So you got to lead by example. And if you're not doing the things that you say you're doing, then don't expect your downline and the people that you bring into your business to do the same. You want to inspire people. You want to be transparent. And you want to be truthful. Don't make things up just so you can make sales. If you guys make sales, that's great, but do it in an honest and transparent way. So taking relationships out of the equation is going to really hurt your business. You got to make yourself accessible. I know there may be some people out there that are a little shy and everything. One of the ways to break that shyness is to confront your fear right away. Most cell phones today have cameras in them. This is how I'm getting out to you right now. I'm using my phone, and I am doing a video for you guys. Keep doing them, and keep doing them repetitively, and it'll become easier. And then you will start speaking from your heart, as I do. I speak from my heart, and I speak truthfully because I love helping people. I never would have started this channel if I believed it wouldn't help and benefit others. That's why in a lot of my videos, I say whether you join me or not, I really hope that you will, that you'll get something out of my videos, that it will help you in the pursuit of your endeavors, your dreams, whatever it is that you're pursuing. That is why I started this channel, to inspire, to promote my business, of course, and to help people. Believe me, my videos aren't perfect. I see a lot of imperfections in my videos, and I just leave them in there because I want my channel to be real. They don't have to be perfect, and the only time I would make a video and redo it again is if I was doing a video about my business that I was using for like a sales page or something like that, because you want it to be as polished as possible. But when I'm just doing videos like this, it's just like the way I do videos is I picture that I'm talking to a friend when I look at the camera. That's how I look at it. I don't look at it as like, oh, I am doing my business. I will tell you what it's all about. I'm not robotic. I want to be real, and that's why I always look at when I'm making videos as if I am talking to like my best friend or something, or someone in my family who I love. So that's why I make these videos like this. But again, that kind of goes into the fact of building relationships, and that people join people. And if you take that personal and relationship out of your business, it's going to kill it. It really will. Because if you keep that component in there, and you're real, and you're transparent, and you're trustworthy, then people will join you at some point. And even though you may see that you're not really getting a lot of views at the moment, people are watching you. People are watching you, and even when you're posting on your timeline on Facebook, or you're posting in a Facebook group, whatever it is, people are watching whether you see it or not. A lot of times it takes time for people to make a decision. There are a lot of factors in why people don't join you right away, and that's fine. I want people to join me because they want to take this business seriously, or whatever business I am promoting. I want you guys to take it seriously, because if you don't take it seriously and you look at it just as some like way to make a few bucks, or you look at it as a lottery ticket, which it's not. I've said in my other videos, if you want to make instant money, really big money really fast, go buy a scratch ticket. There's no such thing as a business that doesn't require you to put work in. It doesn't matter if it's an offline business or a online business. You still got to put the work in. And this other opportunity that I'm looking into right now, as soon as I can get into it, I'm going to start promoting this one specifically, and Power Lead System will end up becoming my back-end business. But this opportunity has the potential to give you guys $1,000 commissions, and it has a chance of having some life-changing income. But until I get into it, I don't really want to promote it yet, because I don't want to mislead you guys into thinking I'm already part of it and you're going to join tomorrow. But in the meantime, I am promoting Power Lead System, and it is a great opportunity. It's very trustworthy. You can make good commissions off of it. Our sales funnel below explains the entire thing about it inside that sales funnel, and it explains it thoroughly and in a way that you'll find the person who does the video presentation in the sales page says a lot of the same things that I do in my videos. People join people, take daily action all the time, consistently, and he speaks a lot of what I say. And when you do, the link is in the description, and if you when you click the link below, you're going to see a video of myself. It's another reason why I love Power Lead System, because you can brand yourself. You can add your own video into the page that you're using, because you can use Power Lead System too to be able to promote anything else that you want to promote. It doesn't have to be an online business. It could be a website that you have that you want to get more eyes on onto people. You can make pages and stuff. But anyways, the link is in the description below. And if you would like, hit the like button. Make sure you also hit the subscribe button underneath this video. When you hit the subscribe button, you'll also have a notification bell that will pop up, and it will make sure you hit that notification bell, because when you hit that notification bell, it's going to notify you guys when I make new content. So again, the part of this video, the main message of this video is, don't take the relationships out of your online business. Because, like I said, we're social beings. We need to make that connection if we're going to be partners in building your own business and helping each other in the long run, because people do join people. So I hope you guys like this video. All my information is below, including the link to my opportunity, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.